Scene script. Hello there. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of brewing your own beer? Let's embark on a step-by-step journey into the realm of craft brewing. First stop, the essentials: malted barley, hops, yeast, and water. Each ingredient, a crucial player in crafting your beer's unique flavor profile. Next, a vital process, extracting fermentable sugars from your malted barley. Here the stage is set for the alchemical transformation of these sugars into alcohol. Third, a delicate dance where different hop varieties lend bitterness, flavor, and aroma to your brew, a symphony of balance and distinctive taste. Fourth, a magical step where yeast morphs sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide, bringing your beer to life. Fifth, a lesson in patience, enhancing flavors, and striking the perfect balance. Sixth, a precise process, ensuring the right amount of priming sugar for optimal carbonation, adding effervescence to your creation. Finally, sit back, relax, and savor the fruits of your labor. Here's to you, homebrewing maestro. Remember to like and subscribe for more brewing adventures. Dive in, the world of homebrewing awaits.